Your SharePoint, PowerApps, and Power BI project is waiting. Who's on your bench? You've got a growing backlog of Microsoft 365 work, SharePoint sites, PowerApps solutions, Power BI dashboards, but no in-house bandwidth to handle it. And no time to train up. That's where WME comes in. We connect you with pre-vetted, ready-to-go Microsoft 365 professionals who can start adding value on day one. Need to streamline collaboration? Our experts design and manage SharePoint environments that boost productivity and keep your teams connected. Looking to replace clunky workflows? We build PowerApps, low-code, user-friendly applications tailored to your exact business needs. And when you need visibility into what matters most, our pros turn your data into real-time insights using Power BI. Best of all, we don't just build. We integrate SharePoint, PowerApps, and Power BI into a unified digital experience that drives results. Don't let resource gaps stall your progress. With WME, you get the Microsoft 365 talent you need when you need it.